Hi everyone, this is a demonstration of the platform MathSite, developed by the team Nanometers for the HackKit. So MathSite is a highly customizable data corroboration and visualization dashboard. We have extracted data from three platforms, MATLAB Answers, Reddit, and Stack Overflow. So let's see MathSite in action. So here are a range of filters through which the user can choose to filter the data and visualize the data. So in the first graph here, we basically see the platform-wise post frequency across the time. And apart from so let's see the data for 2021. So for the past 1 year in 2021, apart from some obvious trends like dips in weekends, we see that the MATLAB Answers is the most used tool overall as compared to the other two platforms, which also indicates it nicely that MATLAB Answers is actually the main place where people ask doubts regarding MATLAB. So here we mention the mentions of the MathWorks product over time in the post that we have collected. So we see that the MATLAB is the most popular platform, most popular toolbox that is being discussed over time, and there are other products as well. So we see that the next most discussed product is Simulink, and MATLAB is around 6 times more popular in discussions as compared to Simulink. Now let's look at the average polarity scores and subjectivity scores. So what are polarity scores? So a polarity score is a number between -1 and 1, which basically indicates how polar a particular post is or a piece of text is. A polarity score of 1 indicates that the person is indicating happy sentiments, while a -1 indicates that the person is indicating sad sentiments. So considering the fact that these platforms are mainly technical platforms, we see a polarity score almost around 0. And we even see that it's slightly higher if we just choose Reddit. If we just choose our platform Reddit here and apply the changes, we see that the polarity score is slightly higher, and even the subjectivity score is slightly higher. So the reason for this can be explained since Reddit is a social media platform on which people indicate their opinions along with asking technical questions. So here we see a higher sort of average polarity score. And what are subjectivity scores? So a subjectivity score is a number between 0 and 1, and a subjectivity score of 0 would mean that the person is trying to state a fact, while a subjectivity score towards 1 would indicate that the person is trying to share some opinions. So here we again see that for Reddit it was around 0.4 as compared to the average of 0.3. So we conclude that Stack Overflow is the most sort of technical platform where the discussions are mainly focused on answering technical questions, while on Reddit people also share their opinion. So the graph at the middle, here we see the most frequently mentioned languages with MATLAB. So we see that C is the most mentioned language along with MATLAB, followed by Go, Python, C++, and Java. So now we see the tag cloud. So what this tag cloud basically shows are the most mentioned keywords or tags for all the posts. So how can we use this? So we can combine the various combination of these filters to extract meaningful information. So let's say if you want to see what errors are people facing for Python and MATLAB issues. So let's choose a language as Python. We'll word search the word error, and yeah, we'll apply these changes. So now we can see it changing in lifetime, and we see that okay, ROS toolbox comes up, ROS bug comes up, loading error, etc. Python package, NumPy, etc. So we get to see what people are facing errors in which toolboxes, or in which tools are they facing the issues, and this can highly help the company with recommending changes for them. So we can even choose subtools like say MATLAB compiler, or let's do MATLAB online. So we can even search for particular combinations of subtools and word search, or even the MATLAB versions. So one thing we notice with MATLAB versions is that we can choose the particular version for which we want to see how it was accepted by the user. And so let's see our 2019. Right. So an interesting observation that we see here is that things like MATLAB Online, etc., come up in the graph of Polyspace Code Prover, MATLAB compiler, which were introduced at the time of these releases. So this is effectively able to capture what was released and if people are talking about them. So this basically confirms that people are actually using the products and discussing them on technical platforms. So this particular part shows the most upvoted, most commented on, or like most reacted posts on these different platforms. So here we see an interesting one where we see a particular school teacher asking if they should be learning learning Python, MATLAB, or Excel. So this basically shows like the different conversations that are going around on this particular platform. So here we have the top users, and so we are happy to show that the most popular user here is MATLAB Answers itself. It is the MathWorks support itself. So yeah, so these are the distributions of the polarity scores and subjectivity scores, and as we earlier mentioned that Stack Overflow's entire database is around the subjectivity score of 0, confirming the fact that Stack Overflow is a highly moderated and sort of a highly sort of neutral platform, and hence we see much lower subjectivity and polarity scores there as compared to Reddit, where people are also sharing their opinion and are scattered over 0 to 1. So yeah, this is our platform math site, and this can really help MathWorks to know a lot about their user base and understand their needs and what errors they are facing. Thank you so much.